Open Google Play Store on your mobile and search for ACPL FM220 RD service. Click on Install button. Now open Settings in your mobile phone and go to Additional Settings. Enable OTG connection as shown. Now open ACPL FM220 RD app on your mobile and click on Allow to grant permissions on your mobile phone. Once app is open, connect your fingerprint scanner device to the mobile via OTG cable or adapter. Check the checkbox as shown and click on OK button. Check the checkbox as shown and click on OK button again, if prompted. Now open ACPL FM220 RD app again. Your road service setup is completed and ready for testing. Make sure your mobile phone is connected to the internet. Now click on Scanner Test button as shown and place your finger on fingerprint scanner device when red light glows. You should see success message as shown.